In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a registration form on GoDaddy Website Builder. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where your website is stored, so you can access the correct website settings without any confusion. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area, which is usually located near the top of the dashboard. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, select My Products. This section shows the different products and services connected to your GoDaddy account, including your websites. Take a moment to find the specific website where you want to add the registration form. If you manage more than one site, be careful to choose the correct one so your changes are made in the right place. After selecting the website, you'll be taken into the Website Management area. On the left-hand side, look for the Customers section and click on it. This area is where GoDaddy lets you manage customer-related features, including sign-up options for visitors who want to register through your site. Next, click Sign Up Forms. This will open the section where you can view existing forms or create a new one. To make a new registration form, click Add a Sign-up Form. Once the form editor opens, you can begin customizing it based on your needs. At this stage, feel free to explore the available settings and design options. You may be able to adjust the form title, choose which fields you want to include, and make visual changes so the form matches the style of your website. As you customize, keep your visitors in mind and make the form simple and easy to complete. A clean and straightforward registration form often leads to better results. When you're happy with the form, click Save Changes. This is an important final step because it applies everything you've customized and makes sure your registration form is added to the website properly. And that's it. You've successfully created a registration form on GoDaddy Website Builder. If you're making updates for the first time, it's always a good idea to review the form after saving to make sure it looks the way you want and functions correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.